Hello, I like to reserve a double room.
Of course, for how many nights?
3 days, please.
When will I check in?
This Saturday.
We have a double room available.
Great. How much is it per night?
It's $50 per night.
Okay, I will book it.
Perfect. May I have your name?
Adinda.
Thank you. Your room is confirmed.
Thank you.
3 days later.
Excuse me, this is a single room, not double room.
I'm sorry, let me check.
And also, the water is cold.
I apologize. I will move you to a double room and fix the hot water.
Okay, how long will it take?
It's just about 10 minutes and we will bring your bags and turn on the water.
Okay, there will be any extra charge?
No, we will also give you free breakfast for one day.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Again,